Hello there, Russ from ProSteam, and one of the most commonly asked questions that we get is why would I hire you to clean my brand new Amtico or Karndean floor that's just been laid? So what I figured I'd do is just shoot a little bit of video here and show you a typical brand new installation and the benefits of having me clean your brand new floor and seal it. Okay, so what you're looking at here is a floor that was installed a few days ago, and the customer hasn't replaced the kickboards underneath the kitchen units there, so it allows me to get kind of as far in as I can. It just means I can do a better job. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I've just vacuumed everything, and now I'm going to apply a product that's going to clean the surface of the floor. It's also going to help to remove any excess glue that may have appeared on the surface, and then we're going to use a machine to then gently scrub the surface to remove the dirt, or loosen the dirt I should say, and loosen that any excess glue. And then we are going to rinse with hot water, dry the floor, and then finally we're going to apply a product that's approved by Amtico and Karndean, and that product will seal the floor. It will enhance the colour of the tiles, and it will prolong the life of the tiles. Right, the cleaning has been completed, so what we have now is pretty much a factory tile, and this is kind of how the flooring manufacturer intended the floor to look once it was down, so it's nice. However, it does lack something, and that something is depth of colour and a little bit of sheen, because it's very, very dull. We are getting some reflection here from the light coming through the door there, but it is extremely matte. Okay, and which is fine. Don't get me wrong, I don't like shiny floors, but a seal will just make those colours pop, and a seal will also protect the floor, and it will make cleaning easier, because if you've got a layer of sealant on top of the floor, the dirt and the grease and everything is going to stick to the sealant, not the tile. So if we can reduce the amount of hard work it's going to take to remove dirt from the tile, I think that's a good thing, and that's exactly what a seal will help to do. All right, so anyway, I'm going to stand here, and so that's how the floor looks at the moment. We're going to come back to this exact shot once we've got several layers of sealant down, and then you can see a difference. Right, we have come to the end of this job, and we've applied several layers of our Secura hard seal to this floor, and I think you'll agree that that looks really nice compared to how it looks cleaned out the factory. The seal has certainly enhanced the colour, and it hasn't really increased the glossy, the reflectiveness of the floor. So it's still fairly satin in terms of finish. For those of you who don't like shiny floors, I mean, I certainly don't like shiny floors, but that looks really nice. So anyway, there you have it, and I hope I've explained how having your floor professionally cleaned and then sealed by a professional is money well spent, I know that it's a lot of money to have this floor installed, but if you can go the extra mile by having the floor professionally cleaned and sealed, it really, really makes a difference, okay? And so there you have it. So if you do have any questions, please, you can email me on info@prosteamuk.com, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. And if you are local, I'll be happy to offer a free estimate. So there you have it. Thanks very much indeed for watching.